Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Rusty's FPV. If you're new here, I do a lot of FPV videos, some DIY builds, and occasionally a drone video. Today I'm doing something I don't normally do. Went to Best Buy this morning and I picked up my Mavic Mini. Didn't look like there's a whole lot waiting to be picked up, maybe 5 or 10 on the shelf. So I'm not sure what the stock levels are like at each of the Best Buys. But all I know right now is Best Buy is not shipping anything until I think December 14th is when the expected arrival date is, and there's no pickup in the stores. So it looks like the first shipments have all been accounted for. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what comes in the box. As you can see, it's been sealed from Best Buy or from DJI. This is not a sample or anything. I bought this with my own money. All right. All right. What is in the box? Okay, that is, I'm going to assume the drone and stuff. And we got a bunch of smaller boxes that are also in here though. All right. We'll start with the smallest. This one looks like it's nothing more than informational pamphlets. So we'll just put that away for now. We don't really want that. Okay. This other box here. All right, looks like the USB charger. Okay, we're gonna need that if we want to fly today. All right, this looks like it's the batteries. It's heavy. All right. Yep, there are 3 batteries. 3 batteries included in the Fly More kit. I don't know if it really makes sense to get the non-Fly More kit. I mean, you get 2 more batteries, and the batteries are about $50 a piece, I think, on the website. So for $100 more, you get the Fly More kit, which comes with 2 extra batteries, prop guards, some extra props that are somewhere. And the difference is only the price of 2 extra batteries. So you make that up with getting the batteries. All right, I'm gonna guess that these are the actual 360 prop guards. And yes, that's what they are. Okay. They're somewhat pliable. They're not very rigid, which is good. They'll absorb any impacts. Hopefully not break. But I've seen a couple crash videos online, which I don't intend on doing. But the couple crash videos I saw didn't show any damage to the prop guards or the props. All right, so we'll put those aside for now. All right, now the important thing. The drone itself. So let's start with the battery pack, the battery charger. All right, it's got space for 3 batteries. They clip in there pretty good. Yep, there's a little clip for them. They lock in. And it looks like I would have to say, unless I'm doing something wrong, the batteries are uncharged. Contrary to some of the other videos that are out there, I guess the early reviewers, their batteries were charged when they received them. but these do not appear to be charged. So let's see if we can get these charging so that we can fly later this afternoon. All right. Got another box in here with various charging cords. Control sticks. And your 3 different adapters for your phone. You have a Lightning, a Micro, and a C, USB-C. That should cover all the major phones out there. All right, let's get this charging. All right. Plug that in. Plug this in, and we'll be right back. Sorry about that. I want to get those charged up as soon as possible so that I can go flying later this afternoon before it gets too dark out. Yes, and it does look like those batteries were completely discharged, so it's going to be a while for that. So what else do we have in the bag here? Well, we have another USB cord. So you can charge on the drone itself. It's empty. What's here? Screwdriver. All right. All right. All right. Controller looks very similar if you have other DJI drones. I don't have any other DJI drones. This will be my first one. So this is all kind of still new to me. The gimbal sticks are tucked away nicely inside of the controller for easy storage and reduce the chance of breaking this while you're transporting. They screw in very nicely. Gimbals feel pretty crisp. Okay, does this have a charge? Yeah, it's about half charge in here, so we'll plug this in and charge this as well. Antennas swing out. You'd plug your phone adapter cable into one of these. I have a USB-C on my Samsung phone, so that's what's going to go into here. Plugs just in the top there. And then your phone would go somewhere in here. And I'm sure there's an easier way to route all this. Probably like that. Yep, this is all still kind of new. All right, so now what we've actually been waiting for. This is the drone. And it is very light in the hand. Actually feels lighter than I thought it would be. But it doesn't have any batteries in it, so that's probably it. All right, let's go peel off all these shipping stickers. That keeps everything in place. Okay. Fold the arms out. Rotate these down. And there you have it. Gimbal guard is still on for now. I can take that off. Yeah. Let me go get one battery. Hold on. All right, one thing I did notice just now is that trying to remove the batteries is somewhat of a finicky thing. They don't just slide out. You know, one of the tabs has got to get pulled up a little bit. I doubt there's any juice in it, but we'll see. Yeah, no juice, but it is definitely very light. Let me go get a scale real quick. Okay, got my kitchen scale here. It is pretty accurate. A lot of people online saying it's got to be NIST certified, blah, 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 blah. I have calibration weights. They all come in within the weight that they're supposed to. You know, they all add up correctly, so I trust the scale is accurate. And I get 248 grams. That's without the gimbal guard. Throw the gimbal guard on, which you would never fly with, and that's 253. Yeah, 248 grams. So I'm going to be fairly satisfied that this is under a 250 gram drone. I think even with the sticker you put on it, if you want to get the sticker kit and color it up, you're still going to be under 250 grams. All right, well, for now, there's not a whole lot I can do. I'm waiting for batteries to charge up. I was able to squeeze in one flight before it got too dark, so here's a quick preview of the Mavic Mini footage.